Hi everyone. In the last previous video, we have seen how to calculate the apparent weight of a body when the body is in the lift moving upward with some acceleration or deceleration. Similarly, moving downward with some acceleration or deceleration. So let us solve one problem over here. A man in the lift is moving upwards with an acceleration has an apparent weight of 588 Newton. When the lift moves again with the same acceleration downwards, his apparent weight is 388 newtons. What is the true weight of the man? So he is asking what is the true weight of the man. He has given the options 288 newtons, 488 newtons, 388 newtons, and the fourth one is 0. So we know that the tension or the apparent weight of the body when it is moving upwards is always the mass of the body in the lift with g plus a upwards, and when it is moving with downwards the same acceleration, it is g of minus a, right? So let us remember this one. So m of g plus a when moving upward is the apparent weight is 588 n newtons. So let us keep that. Let's go to the next slide. So here I have substituted the value t is equal to m of g plus a is equal to 588 newtons when it is moving upward, and it is m of g minus a which is equal to 388 newtons when it is moving downwards. So on adding this equation 1 with this equation 2, we get 2 mg is equal to 976, which is nothing but mg divided by mg is equal to 976 divided by 2, which is nothing but 488 n. So this is the answer. We 488 n newtons is the answer that we get upon. So the second multiple choice is the correct one. So I will just round it off. This is the correct answer. Let's move to the second problem. So in this second problem, a block of mass m is suspended from the ceiling of a room through a metal chain of mass m. The ceiling pulls the chain upwards with a force of, first one, m into g. M is nothing but the mass of the block. Small m into g. Small m is the mass of the chain. And third one is m plus m of g. Okay, and the fourth one is 0. So the answer is 3. Let us try to analyze. Here it is not the string which is pulling up the body, it is the ceiling which is pulling the body or the block of mass m and the chain. So you have to consider this chain of mass m and the whole block as one unit, and the total weight or the total mass is going to be capital M plus small m. So that's why you have consider m, capital M plus small m of g, which gives the total weight which the ceiling is trying to pull up. So it is not capital Mg. If you get confused, again consider it is a ceiling which is pulling up. So we have to consider this as well as the total block. So third one is the correct.